Everybody is saying a bad language learn first. So I'll teach you the bad words from Manipur.
Ah.
Really want to know?
No, I don't need. You keep your bad language with you. I keep my bad language with me.
Okay then. This is a good language. I'll tell you. You have to say it. Yeah.
No, I don't believe you. No, I don't believe.
Hi guys, akhoi ngasi keno tawdune matam kureba matungda akhoi ngasi video ama ngasi namani si video je ma miyeng tabiu kitang hana gadi kha top top ani ado akhoi namba je hujik namachi
Hi guys, akhoi uji lai se akhoi manaba ma gane akhoi uji kaya tare akhoi taminada sum ko classmate ne ado ma se Andhra Masa ne Andhra Masa ado sum magi kaya ni Andhra gi maram da sum mogi Andhra gi Telugu maron khara akhoi khangmina se ado magi mami ke kana hangage masa pudi dum khatti ne do maro ya de num koi masa ke mo silam ne masa phaja ba dum cheng ne mo silam de ke masa thire dum yai mo mi ji ne hana kai magule be he de ni ado horsi first of all I'll ask your name. You have to introduce your name here. Yeah. You can start now. Your name.
Yeah, my name is Manoj Kumar from. I have to say the.
Yeah. Your address like.
Yeah, I'm from Rajanagaram itself, and.
Yeah, really? You are from Rajanagaram?
Yeah.
Are you from Kakinada, right?
Yeah, I think my native is Kakinada.
Yeah. Okay. Now you have to tell me about the specialty of Andhra Pradesh, like that. Some special quality of Andhra.
Special qualities like there are many irrigation facilities, mainly agricultural.
Yeah. I see that.
Actually, our district is like mainly about cultural lands.
Yeah.
Many means and educational facilities also more here.
Yeah, and at least about tourism.
Tourism.
There are so many places.
Yeah, there are so many places. Near, I think Vizag is a best place.
Yeah, it's a city, you know. It's a highly populated city.
Highly populated city.
Okay, we are gonna talk about some accents in our language. No, I'll teach you Manipuri. You will teach me Telugu.
Okay.
Yeah. At first, what is your name? Means Nangi Namin Kari Kaubike.
Nangi Namin
Kari Kaubige. Yeah, that is.
Nangi Namin Kari Kaubige.
Yeah, this is what is your name.
Okay.
Yeah, and in Telugu.
In Telugu, it's what is your means mi peremti.
Me peri.
With respect means me peremti.
Me peri imti.
Okay.
Yeah, and in similar language like that in Nigerinti like that.
Yes.
Now, how are you?
Okay.
Means Kamdau Birige. Yeah, this is in like in respect, giving respect. Kamdau Birige like
okay.
that.
Kamdau Birige.
Yeah, Kamdau Birige in Manipur.
Yeah.
Okay. In Telugu?
In Telugu, how are you means ela unnaru.
Oh yeah, ela unnaru.
Yeah,
that's right. Okay. Next, we're gonna talk about did you have lunch like that?
Okay.
Dom sak sabiraba. Adom sak sabiraba.
Yeah.
In Telugu?
In Telugu, Tenara.
In short, no?
In short.
Yeah. I can teach you in short in Manipur also. Sak saraba.
Chakcharaba.
Yeah.
It means had.
Yeah, did you eat? Like that.
Did you eat?
Yeah.
Chakcharabo.
Yeah, this is, you can use this in morning also, in night time also.
Okay.
Means dinner, lunch, no? Just same. Did you eat? Right. Okay, ma'am. Kaya ni hujiki do loi lusile. Haidi yam na kaya ni makata na sa tharo ije ko na kaya ni yam entertain to boy na challenge sama katam to hujik. This is kind of a challenge.
Okay.
Which I'll tell you the first word in Manipur language, and you have to say it in the right pronunciation. And you can also tell me in your Telugu language now. I'll speak that that round will be set now. Or the ma'am miyang terminasi ukpare nok na le ro ai si ke su hei ta bani ai na han loi try to lo ro no si do da ha po si pula ka to ne sin ngang du je ma yang sa ma ta na ngang bu thuk to wa ti ho ye do di ho lo si na. Okay, let's start. First I'll tell you one and afterward you have to tell me one. Okay. First, that one, ngai. This is a kind of a dried fish, means already done dry fish.
Oh.
Okay, you have to tell me. Ngari.
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 Not ngari. Ngari. You have to
Ngari.
say nga.
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 Ngari.
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 Nyari.
Not nyari. Nga. You have to say first. Nga. You have to freely say nga.
Na.
Nga. Don't use your tongue. Nga.
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 Don't touch your tongue with the palm.
Okay.
You have to say like nga.
I think this is
Yeah. Nga.
nga.
Don't touch. Okay.
Okay.
Nga.
Nga.
Yeah, that's right. Nga.
A.
Ri.
Ri.
Yeah. Nga.
Nga.
Don't touch your tongue. You're touching. Okay.
Okay.
You fail it.
Hmm.
Okay, now it's your turn. Tell me what.
Satpurush.
Satpurus.
Hey.
Okay. I got it. I got it. Number 2 is. Let me think. Nganu.
What?
Nganu. Nganu.
Nanu.
Nganu.
Nanu.
Nganu.
Nanu.
You have to say nga.
Nga.
That first one. Nga.
Nga.
Nu.
Nu.
Yeah.
Nganu.
Yeah. It's a duck. Duck. But duck. Duck. Quack quack quack.
Okay, good duck. Okay.
Okay. This round you win. Okay.
Okay.
So, your word.
My word is. I think I will say a sentence.
Sentence then I can't. You have to say only single word.
Only single word, huh? I think it would take some time because you are speaking
Okay.
better.
Masak thi tara mayam. Thi ne English.
I can't get any words in Telugu too.
Yeah. You are a Telugu guy, then you are not. Sẽ đồng nhiên xe mà tầm cười được mà tầm xong video ông thả lại cái top top vào mà. Okay, tell me. You can say any word in Telugu.
Telugu is very easy language.
Who told?
Yeah.
Think it.
Yeah, I think it's very easy words na. See something like if any animal means if some take elephant enugu.
Enugu.
You can easily take enugu.
Yeah, enugu. How about dog?
Huh?
How about
Kukka.
dog? Kukka.
Very easy na.
How about cat?
Pilli.
Pilli.
Very easy.
Yeah.
You can easily learn. Okay.
Yeah, you lose.
Yeah, I lose.
Yeah, you lose. Okay.
Uh,
mà lose rồi hai đi mà ngầm cái khăn bạc atau koi giwat koi ngari nganu adu ha cuma kita confuse kaya du yare musik koi lu sele entertain koi na hoji mang de wat kra hang ge koi mai te lon da hai wa se mayam tar no piu sukai de no no bus kema video ni. Okay, let's start. I'll tell you that word. I sak tiba mini isana yazai. Okay, now you have to tell first I sak tiba mini isana yazai. I
Saktiba.
You have to look at there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I Saktiba.
Mini. Ishana. Yazai. Mayamsu. Adum. Ti. Aingondagi. Hena. Tiba. Misu. Lairongani. Adui Tarasu. Yeah. I. Sak. Kara. Pazarakani. Tajai. Okay, that's good. In next. resilience okay ma fazana pronunciation fazana tawre you did it man okay mayam si dum ta no ngani khange adu sumana dum taw si kai hai ni mana khoi khang da bai ni bai na du che khang di chu hai ya ru ma ko chen chen ani ఓకే మన ఇది మొత్తం షైర్ వచ్చేలాగే
ఈ వీడియో చూసినందుకు అందరికీ ధన్యవాదములు. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, share it, and comment it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And wait for the next video. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is very. Masak dia lupa nih. Ngari. Ngari.
Nari.
Ngari.
Huh?
Ngari. You know, ngari. That the old phrase. Don't be old phrase. Don't do that. Ngari.
Huh?
Ngari.
Nari entra masuk. Lambung tercet.
Parah, aku cara. Saya not. Nganu. Nganu.
Nanu.
Nganu. Nganu, nganu, nganu. Bak.
Oh, okay.
Anu.
Duck.
Daka. Nganu.
Huh?
Nganu.
Nanu entra.
Nganu.
Wait, cut this one.